Now, Mr. Chair, among the more than 100 nominees today, we have members of the fraternity of Free and Accepted Masons of the Philippines. And as is my tradition, being a past Grand Master of the Fraternity of Free and Accepted Masons, it is my obligation to recognize them. So to my fraternal brethren, to the Masons who are present here, once your name is called, please stand up to be recognized. Brigadier General Elgin Villaflor, Philippine Army, Kapatiran, Masonic Lodge number 228. Colonel Amir Adviento, Philippine Air Force, Pampanga, Masonic Lodge number 48. Colonel Jonathan B. Panis, Philippine Air Force, Pampanga, Masonic Lodge number 48. Colonel Louis Dimala, Philippine Army, Taguig, Masonic Lodge number 431. Pumunta pa ako doon last week sa Taguig. I attended your installation. Colonel Ronaldo Sarmiento, Philippine Army, Biak na Bato, number 7. Colonel Romel Langkuan, Philippine Army, Mount Hurao, 98. Colonel Rinaldo Balido Jr., Philippine Army, Tumawini, Masonic Lodge number 251. Colonel Ryan Charles Calianta, Philippine Army, Salinas Masonic Lodge number 204. Colonel Joseph Marlon Famoso, Philippine Army, Cagayan de Oro Masonic Lodge 298. Colonel Richie J. Bisco, Philippine Army, Cosmo Antonio Masonic Lodge 339. Colonel Alex Ampati, Philippine Army, Tamarao Masonic Lodge number 65. Colonel Julius Colingan, Jags Matagumpay Masonic Lodge number 410. Colonel Napoleon Pabon Jr., Camarines Norte Lodge number 107. Colonel Oliver Bailon, Philippine Navy, Matagumpay, Masonic Lodge 410. Colonel Anuvic Atilano, Philippine Army, St. Agustin, Masonic Lodge number 300. And Colonel Alfred Ramones, Philippine Army, GAR 322, Jacobo Sobel, Masonic Lodge. Sa inyong mga kuyang, kami po ay nagagalak at natutuwa na kasama kayo sa mga nominees ngayon. So in behalf of the Masons of the Grand Lodge of Free and Accepted Masons of the Philippines, we are very proud of you. We are very honored that as members of the Grand Lodge of Philippines, you are being promoted to your positions. So again, warmest congratulations to all of you in behalf of the brethren. Maraming salamat mga kuyang. Thank you, Mr.